Master Fireworks, color your life. Hi everyone, I'm Bing from Master Fireworks. Welcome to our today's factory discovery. We are at Qihang Fireworks. Their main products are Roman candle and cake. Now we are going to show you the Roman candle production. First of all, you need to prepare the paper tube and then plant the fuse, green the fuse. And then we are going to pass to the powder line. One layer of leaf charge, and then sawdust, paper disc, stars, and then repeat. This one is a 8-shoot Roman candle, so you need to repeat this work 8 times. All finished, all we need is to pack them. I tried to do some paperwork at the fireworks factory. I think that's my job. I should know how to do. Yeah, because I'm aware with paperwork. But no, it's not so easy. Easy for she, but hard for me. The final packing. This one is a 4-piece pack. Okay, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share it and like it. Bye bye.